What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best budget dash cams in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to pay the lowest possible price that'll still get you a solid product, we say check out the Vantrue N1 Pro, the best ultra-cheap budget dash cam on the market in 2022. This model is the perfect compromise between price and quality, yet quality far exceeds the price. We're looking at a portable but powerful camera with an impact sensor and a parking mode function. A camera with a motion sensor that can detect the movements of objects and automatically turn on to record in park mode. Whether it's day or night, use the control camera to record clear videos in 1080p resolution at 30 FPS. With better performance and a high rate of stability, a camera like this is the best way to provide good evidence in the event of a traffic accident dispute. Vantrue N1 Pro Mini 1080p control camera sports the Sony IMX323 image sensor and 6-layer optical glass lens with f1.8 aperture, adding security to your driving experience. The 160-degree wide camera angle captures the entire environment while driving. Press the mode button on the control bar to capture a detailed 2 million pixel shot without any problems. The device also records your sound with a built-in microphone, even in the environment. The 24-hour parking mode allows the control camera to automatically record when movement or objects approach in front of your car. You need to connect the camera to a car battery or power bank to make sure the camera's always on. Save memory card space with the time-lapse camera function. In time-lapse mode, the camera captures multiple photos at regular intervals and merges them into video. Additionally, thanks to its small and compact design of only 2.5 by 1.95 by 1.5 inches, you'll have plenty of free space in the car so that nothing will disturb your field of vision. In terms of storage, Vantrue N1 Pro has support for memory cards up to 256GB, quite enough for the needs of most users. Also, the camera has more stable performance and longer battery life thanks to a special chipset that has a high heat resistance. For the listed price, we are beyond impressed. If you're in pursuit of the top bang for the buck, we say check out the Rexing V1 4K, the best value budget dash cam available on the market in 2022. This model's size and shape are more suitable for windshield mounting than other models, plus it captures high-definition images, decent sound quality, and is generally a reliable device. It has all the extra features you'd expect from a control camera, such as loop recording and collision detection, and even some unique ones like timing. At just 2.7 inches, the screen of this control camera is one of the smallest on the market, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. All icons, menus, and the video itself are perfectly visible up close. The device also has an internal accelerometer that can detect the impact of an accident, as well as GPS capabilities. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with all the equipment needed to use the GPS function. If you want to enable them, you'll need to buy a Rexing GPS logger separately. One of the things we appreciate about this control camera is that it includes a 32GB micro SD card, so you won't have to spend extra money for storage space. However, there is no micro SD card adapter, so if you want to view your recordings on a computer, you'll have to buy one. There is also a special tool in the box that helps you hide the power cord. You can set this camera mounted on the control panel to capture images in 720p or 1080p resolution. However, if all you're looking for is a simple key, 1080p will be fine. This camera is also equipped with an internal accelerometer that gives it the ability to detect a traffic accident. A unique feature of the Rexing V1 is the internal recording. It is off by default, and the company recommends keeping it off for everyday driving. But if you're going on a trip with scenic routes or want to record a specific trip, this feature is fun to have. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. The next product we'll talk about is the Nexar Beam, the best compact budget dash cam in 2022. This model is ideal if you're looking for a compact control camera that can record 1080p full HD images with a GPS function and offers unlimited storage of clips in the cloud. The Nexar Beam camera comes in a small box that contains everything you need to get started. There is also a camera itself, along with a GPS mount that also includes a suction cup. You also get a generous 3-meter cable with an adapter that plugs into a conventional car socket. It helps that there are 2 USB ports on the outside of the adapter, of which only one should be used to power the camera. Considering the relatively low price, Nexar Beam comes with pretty impressive specifications, decent design, and solid build quality. The device looks robust and can withstand the conditions on the windshield for a long period. It can record 1080p Full HD with a 135-degree field of view. Of course, there is also a built-in microphone. An added bonus with this model is that it includes free cloud storage, which is actually quite handy considering that many control cameras make you pay a subscription for such things. In addition, as the name suggests, the product has the added advantage of an integrated GPS module, which allows you to record the location of your vehicle in case additional evidence is needed in the event of an accident. The parking mode feature is also useful, meaning Nexar can offer 24/7 security surveillance. If your vehicle is pushed, hit, or the camera is interrupted, it'll automatically record the incident, even if you're not in it at the time. A 32GB micro SD card is included with the camera, but can be increased to 256 gigabytes. Meanwhile, Nexar claims that cloud storage is unlimited, which sounds pretty generous to us. The lens coped well with the reflection of the morning sun and clear skies, and it also had impressive performance after dark. Images are sharp, clear, and without camera shake. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. Here we are with this silver medal and the title of the best runner-up budget dash cam available on the market in 2022. And the award goes to the Rove R2-4K, a dash camera with 4K Ultra HD recording with 2160p resolution. This model provides good images and shots in low light conditions thanks to its super night vision technology. The device has a built-in GPS to record location, speed, and route, in which you can view on Google Maps. The camera has a built-in Wi-Fi, and you can manage your recordings on your electronic devices using the app. You can also easily share this video on social media websites. Other features include the parking mode, motion detection, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, and slow-motion video. The company also offers a 1-year warranty. However, the memory card is not included in the purchase. Also, it only has a viewing angle of 150 degrees, but this is not a major problem for most users. Position the control camera as close to the center of the windshield as possible, as this position offers the best view to cover the entire road. We're looking at a small, compact camera that is quick to set up and work. Efficiency and quality are there. For the listed high resolution, you should note that the Rove R2-4K is set to 1080p resolution by default, which works quite well. Adjustment in 4K is possible, but on the other hand, it's only in 24 FPS. The overall quality of the video is outstanding though. You just need to know that it can sometimes be difficult to read the license plates, depending on the distance, speed, and brightness. We're impressed with the variety of features available with videos, such as time-lapse, slow motion, taking a photo on the road, taking a loop, or locking a video in an emergency. The date, time, and speed are displayed at all times, which is very practical, but you'll have to have a little patience with the GPS, which can be a little long to respond to the ignition, sometimes even a few minutes. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Thanks to great user reviews, stellar performance, and exceptional value for money, we have come to the unanimous conclusion that the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is the best overall budget dash cam on the market in 2022. The Dash Cam Mini 2 shoots in full HD at 30 frames per second through a 140-degree lens, but we think 1080p is still good enough for a control camera, especially compact at such a competitive price. Sticking to the design for now, the Dash Cam Mini 2 is extremely compact. The front side contains nothing more than a lens and a ball joint that connects to a short arm. Also, there are only 2 buttons on the Dash Cam Mini 2. The one on the side turns the audio recording on and off, while the button on the back keeps the latest part of the recording. The location of this button makes it easy to press quickly if you notice an incident later. Video is automatically saved when a collision is detected, but the button is useful for manually saving videos of anything else you see while driving. The camera comes with a choice of USB cables, one short and one long, plus a control camera power adapter from the cigarette lighter socket. A pair of sticky windshield mounts are also included, which makes it easier to change the camera between the 2 vehicles. Garmin's smartphone app is called Drive. It is free to download for iOS and Android and is used to configure the camera. If you're connected to your phone over a Wi-Fi network, the images will be automatically uploaded to Garmin's Vault online storage system. The recordings are kept 24 hours free of charge. The quality of the video is very good, considering its size and price. It records 1080p Full HD with HDR and shoots at 30 frames per second through a 140-degree lens. Details such as road signs and vehicle registration plates are clear, and images remain sharp in a variety of lighting and weather conditions. All in all, the Dash Cam Mini 2 is hard to blame. Instead of cluttering the user with a bunch of features that they'll rarely use, it is a small, simple product that just does the job of being a quality control camera without interference. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.